फैंटास्टिक्स वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड एज यू गाइस कैन सी टुडे वी आर डूइंग नेल आर्ट and finally, like as you guys can see, my nails are a bit long now, so this is just how long they are. So I don't know what today's weather is, just too bright, I guess. There is a lot of sunlight changing, so there might be a lot of change in the image quality, so I hope you guys will understand. And so fantastics, as you guys can see, today's nail art look is a summer nail art look. I know it is a bit late, but you guys, it has been postponing from a long time since I have been a little bit too much busy with my two channels. So if you guys haven't checked out my new channel, it is FARHANA, and you guys can go and subscribe. There is literally so much amazing stuff going on, and these are the polishes that I am going to use today. So these two are going to be used for that silver transition, silver gradient, and we are going to do it with the help of sponge. So let me show you guys the sponges. And yeah, so these are the sponges for my nail art. You guys can literally use any sponge for this. You guys can use those yellow dishwash sponges as well. So first and foremost, as always, we are going to start with the base coat. So now let me show you guys how to apply this base coat. So first you need to start with a very thin layer of base coat nail polish. It can be any transparent nail polish, and you guys need to start from the middle and then downwards like this. And don't forget to cover your tip as well, because that is the area where the polish starts to chip off first. So that's the area that we should keep in mind. And yeah, so next we are going to do it all our nails. So base coat is like really important if you are working with really pigmented nail polish. As of today, I am wearing a very blue nail polish, so it might stain your nails yellow. By the way, it doesn't matter if your nails are yellow or not, but it is nice to use like a protective layer for protecting your nails from that yellow tinted nails. So now I am going to fast forward all this like this, and in the end I will show you guys how it looks. So now, as you guys can see, all of our nails are now ready with our base coat painted on. So now we are going to start painting our nails with this beautiful blue color. Like this is like a sea blue color. So yeah, let's start painting our nails. So with just like the base coat, we are going to start painting our nails from the middle. So I have focused a bit so you guys can see, and I have zoomed a little bit as well so you guys can see it nicely. This is a very pigmented polish, but still I will suggest you to use 2 coats of creme nail polish for this type of look. But this one was looking like super pigmented, but based on your nail polish consistency, you might need 2 to 3 coats of nail polishes for like this opaque look. So yeah, so guys, now I am going to fast forward the process, so I don't like talk for an hour, because like this took me like 2 hours to paint my nails, because you have to let your nails dry for at least 15 minutes before painting or doing any nail art. So this took me like almost 2 hours to do this whole nail art video. So this is the fast forwarded version, otherwise it would look like a 2-hour movie or something. So yeah, just enjoy. So this is how it would look after 2 to 3 coats, but I have only done 1 coat. And now let's see the next step, which is this hollow glitter nail polish. Now I am going to use it as a top coat and as a glitter nail polish, like both, for like a even gradient. So yeah, first I'm going to spread this linear glitter hollow liquid nail polish to spread out the hollow all over the nails, and then I will use a silver glitter polish for using it as a gradient in between the blue and the silver. So yeah, let's start painting our nails now. So I am just going to paint my thumbnail as example to show you guys. So now, as you guys can see, I am going to just paint it like this. I'm going to spread the glitters all over the nails, not focusing on one place but all over the nail. So like this. So this will act as a top coat and as a glitter polish. So yeah, now let's see all the nails. So as you guys can see, all of our nails are done, and now we are going to do the gradient look. So now I'm going to take a sponge like this, and now we are going to paint it half with a silver glitter nail polish. So let me show you guys how you do it actually. So you have to take a silver nail polish like this one, which has only silver glitter, and then we have to paint 2 to 3 coats of nail polish on the sponge so that all the liquid nail polish is absorbed and only the glitter will transfer onto our nails. So let's just keep on painting, and just like that, just do it evenly on the sponge. And we need to do it to make a gradient like this one. It has all the glitter focused at the tip of the nail, as you guys can see. So we are trying to recreate just that look, and we are going to stamp it on our nail just like that. So it has covered half of our nail like that, or just the tip of the nail as we say, and just tap tap tap, I guess. And now we are just going to do that step on each on our nails, and I am just one more time showing you guys how to do it, just like that, and hold it and tap tap tap, I guess, just like that. And yeah, now let's see how it turned out. So this is how it looks before the cleanup, and after is so this is how it looks after the cleanup. And oh my god, you guys, I I am like such a big fan of this nail art. It turned out so nice, and this literally looks so beautiful, like one of the bestest nail art I have ever done in my channel. But yeah, like literally I really loved it. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.